Bando, Alvin.
Alvin.
Alvin. Same song!
Come give me your sweetness. Now there's you, there is no weakness. Lying safe within your arms, I'm born again.
Don't you know you are born again?
I was just at home.
Sayang. Sana sinunod niya. Sinundan niya dapat, di ba? I was just at home and now you're here. Dapat ganun, no? Sayang. Pero mali rin yun. Dahil ang tumpak na lyrics po ay I was half, not whole. Okay, tayo po magmamanuhan muli. Team Quezon pa rin na nakakapuntos pa lang. Love moves in mysterious ways.
Julia Fordham.
Alright. Song number 5. 1997. Mamaya na kayo mag-iyakan dyan, Alvin, Mandol. Oasis, Stand By Me.
So what's the matter with you? Sing me something new. Don't you know the cold and wind and rain don't know?
I'll be coming home.
I'll be coming around the way.
I'll be coming around the way.
Greta. Same song.
So what's the matter with you? Sing me something new. Don't you know the cold and wind and rain don't know?
They only seem to come and go away.
Tumpak! Galing to si Greta.
2002,
Hindi ka dyan, dito kayo. Tayo po ay mag-move on. Song number 6.
Daddy!
Huwag ka na maghintay, Kuya Ray. 1957 eh. Alam mo naman, ikaw yun eh. Basta mga ganun, ikaw na yun. Carol Lawrence and Larry Caird from the Broadway musical West Side Story. Tonight!
Today the world was just an address, a place for me to live in, no better than alright. But here you are, and what was just so wrong.
It's here tonight.
Come here tonight.
Bandol, Alvin. Lungkot eh. Alvin.
Boy.
Hindi ako pwede. Host ako dito eh.
1957.
Naglagan. Ikaw, anak ni Edgar Mante, ha? Ikaw na.
Nagkulang ko rin, tinawagan ko si Herpat eh.
Same song!
Today the world was just an address, a place for me to live in, no better than alright. But here you are, and what was just so wrong.
That's New for Love.
Ay, loko ka lang yan eh. Ang tumpak na lyrics ay Is a Star Tonight. Kaya tayo po yung magmamanuhan muli. Bulong! Shell?
River Maya.
Still, Clarice?
Kichi Nadal.
All tayo, 1-1. Kailangan makalamang kayo para kayo yung bagong champion. Kung hindi, sila pa rin ang champion. Alright, song number 7. 1996.
Ate Greta.
Donna Cruz, Regine Velasquez, and Mikey Cujanco. I Can.
I can dance like such a rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend.
Love you until the end. I can love you until the end.
Tumpak! Galing. Okay, Quezon. Chel, Bandol, Alvin. Chel, thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Team Quezon, meron kayong, Alvin, meron kayong 80,000. May 80,000 pesos. Tama-tama, buntis si Mrs. Thank you. Thank you very much, Team Quezon. Michelle, thank you. Team Valera, after 7 days, meron kayong 440,000 pesos. Kayo pa rin ang champion at kayo pa rin ang babalik para i-defend ang inyong title. And thank you to our guest singer, Miss Nikki Hill. Nikki, sa uulitin. Salamat. Mga kaibigan, again, happy fiesta dyan sa Bohol, lahat ng lugar dyan sa Bohol, happy fiesta. Sama-sama tayo sa B-Show ng Bayan hanggang sa susunod na pagsirit ng The Singing Bee!